Do I have to stay here in the men's unit?
If she was ever going to be put in the men's unit, I have a big issue with that.
This is a man's world. My shit says M for male. Male.
Nikita Dragun is a 28-year-old trans model and makeup artist. She has almost 5.5 million subscribers on YouTube, over 14 million followers on TikTok, and 8.5 million followers on Instagram. Nikita is quite famous within the beauty influencer world, and she's literally friends with Kylie Jenner. Nikita Dragun is a biological male and has been under the knife a lot of times. In 2022, Nikita was arrested in a hotel in Miami after throwing water at a police officer's face. The employees at the hotel called the police because Nikita was allegedly walking around the pool area naked and then later caused a disturbance in her room. Nikita was charged with felony battery of a police officer and given a $5,000 bond. This is Nikita's statement she posted after it happened back in 2022. I want to thank everyone for the outpouring of love and support recently. I've always been open with you guys about my journey, and there is an appropriate time for that, but oftentimes the best way to heal and grow is to do so privately. So I will be off social media for a while in order to take care of my mental health and overall well-being. I love you all and we'll see you soon. It sounds so professional and she seems so sweet and innocent. You will find out later how ironic this is. Back in 2022, woke TikTok went insane after watching this clip of Nikita talking to a judge.
Do I have to stay here in the men's unit though?
Yeah, I don't make the rules up there, but they should make a proper accommodation for you. You should be in a separate area.
In this clip, Nikita seems so innocent and polite and like a victim in some way. Nikita's fans were furious and thought Nikita was gonna serve in a men's unit. Well, it didn't happen. Nikita was apparently alone in a cell. Here's how Nikita's fans reacted to this clip back in 2022.
And as much as I don't like Nikita Dragun, she does not deserve to be put in the men's jail. She's a woman.
What do you mean deserves?
She was arrested for acting a fool in Miami, running around a hotel naked, and when asked to turn the music down in her room, she threw a water bottle at the police officer. I love Nikita. I've been watching her videos for years, and I feel like she's grown past this, so I was a little upset that she resulted to this behavior. However, I'm assuming she was under the influence. Everyone makes mistakes. I hope she learns a lesson from this.
You're saying it like it wasn't a big deal, like it doesn't say something about a person's character, how they treat other people, how they act in public. Yeah, we're all human, we all make mistakes, we all walk around naked, making other people uncomfortable. I don't know what you're doing in your free time, but I can personally not relate to this behavior.
Trans women are women, so if she was ever going to be put in the men's unit, I have a big issue with that.
If it is a fact that trans women are women, why worry about Nikita being in a men's unit? If there's no difference between Nikita and a biological woman, why on earth is it even a possibility for Nikita to be in a men's unit? Could it be because trans women are not women? Could it be if a biological male still has his penis, he should not be in a women's unit? When claiming Nikita's a woman, you're choosing the most face-tuned pictures of her and looks super feminine. How convenient. Why didn't you choose the pictures of Nikita without makeup?
I also think that this whole experience is going to bring more exposure for the trans community, because even though Nikita acted a fool and she needs to learn her lesson, this will bring more trans awareness for trans rights, which is ultimately a good thing.
Right, and every single time there's a story in the news about trans people, it's never about the trans person doing something wrong. No matter what, trans people are always victims of transphobia. And we shouldn't pay too much attention to what the trans people were doing, no matter how horrible the story is. Nikita Dragun is not helping the trans acceptance. What you're about to see proves it. A couple of days ago, leaked videos of Nikita's arrest went viral, and they're really bad.
Miami Beach Police, we need to talk to you. Open the door, please.
Is everyone okay?
I just came here to speak to you about your incident from earlier.
You don't speak to me.
The audacity to do this. Who do you think you are? You don't speak to me.
Are you sorry?
I'm not sorry for anything.
Oh.
For you threw water on me, man. All right. If
Did I not put you out? Do you want
if we
more?
get one more company,
Don't do that. You're gonna go to jail if you do that.
if you get see what I'm saying? Listen.
Oh no.
This is so childish. It's about testing limits. Oh, you don't want me to do this? Watch me. Watch me.
Don't let motherfucker ever step to me.
There is no need to act the way you're acting right now.
What's the way I'm acting?
Let go of this.
Say please.
We're giving you a lawful order.
Okay.
You are under arrest.
Okay, great.
We're asking you to let go of that.
I'm not going to. Take it from me.
Someone likes to be dominant. What a great feminine trait to have as a trans woman.
You understand that you're under arrest?
Yeah, that's fine. Take it from me. Take the bag from my hand.
Don't do that. There's no need for that. Don't do that. You do not have to do that. What are you doing?
No, that's disgusting. The mood swings are crazy here.
I'm only responding to the gays and the girls. Leon Silencio. Silencio.
What does that even mean?
Oh my god. Oh no. Oh, I fell.
Please get up.
Oh my god, I fell.
In these clips, Nikita's acting super childish, acts like a spoiled brat, and wants to control and dominate. And I think it's super embarrassing. Believe it or not, what you just saw is not Nikita's worst moment. Watch this.
Be nothing without this transgender, transsexual man. What you gonna call me?
Nikita's not making sense in any of these clips you're about to see, and it is disturbing, but I'm not gonna lie, a little bit funny at the same time.
I've been cool with you.
A nose job, BBL, lipo, under chin lipo. Damn, girl, you thick, girl. But not even in a good way. You're built like a brick.
At least mine is real.
Mashallah. This response is perfect. I love it.
I don't judge how you live your personal life.
Oh, you're being so mean to a trans girl. I can't believe you as a woman are not gonna validate my
You're
womanhood.
the one that started it. I was
You're
paying
challenging my
attention.
womanhood. Let's go. You challenge my sit down. You wanna challenge my woman? I don't even gotta get up out of here. What's up?
Right, it's the employee who's challenging Nikita's womanhood. Not the body language, not the drop in his voice. You're challenging my womanhood. It's ma'am.
How am I challenging your womanhood? Please tell me.
Come here. Come here now.
Relax.
Come here. Oh, you're gonna hide behind. Oh, you wanna hide? Oh, you wanna hide behind there? Oh, you're gonna hide?
Did this clip explain to you why I'm not using she and her pronouns when referring to Nikita? This is not how women behave. And this is definitely not how trans women behave. Real, chronic gender dysphoric males do not act this way. The last thing they want to be seen as is a dominant male. And if you're one of those in my comment section saying, Marcus, women can also be dominant and aggressive, right, but we're not talking about women. The real kind, biological women. We're talking about men who claim to be trans women. Real trans women would feel incredibly dysphoric if being seen as dominant, aggressive. Real trans women don't want to intimidate women just because they're women, and especially threaten them with violence.
I got an army at my disposal. Dracarys! I am unburned. Try it.
Girl, this is not Game of Thrones.
Okay, that was funny. After doing some research, I'm not sure Nikita's fans are gonna be on his side after watching these leaked videos. I haven't seen anyone defending Nikita. What I did see is plenty of people who want to cancel Nikita for being racist, for being sexist. I don't know about the racist part, but Nikita's behavior in these clips, very misogynistic. I do agree with that part.
I am your supreme. Know your place. Because at the end of the day, these men could take me, mop the floor with your ass. This is a man's world, okay? Come at me. At the end of the motherfucking day, my shit says M for male. Male.
What an interesting statement. I'm actually not sure if Nikita is legally a female. I think he is, because I saw a picture of his ID. But it's interesting that Nikita is saying, I'm a male. And then it would make sense why the judge didn't really know if Nikita was going to be placed in a men's unit. And Nikita worrying about it too.
Oh, girl. How does it feel like wearing a bulletproof vest? You're fat. Nobody wants you. I am the alpha and the omega, everything in between.
Disgusting behavior. Wow. I don't care what Nikita is on or has mental health issues, you don't talk to people like this.
Give me a glass of water.
Act right and you can get water.
Give me water or I will rain right the here.
This is so aggressive, so dominant. I think what's happening here is Nikita feels super powerless, so then he has to be even more dominant.
And you would question my woman because you made me go into the men's bathroom.
You walked right into the men's bathroom. Don't even. Don't switch anything because everything's on camera. You walked right in there. Oh, okay. You walked right in there. And I asked you twice and you said you identify as a male.
Exactly, because Nikita is making this entire situation into a game. He wants the officer to play a game with him, where he changes his gender every 5 minutes. Nikita wants the officer to obey his spur of the moment. Nikita wants to show who's in charge. Obviously, Nikita Dragun is not well. Nikita was actually involuntarily detained back in 2021 in a mental health hospital and got diagnosed with bipolar disorder. Bipolar disorder is a mental disorder characterized by periods of depression and periods of abnormally elevated mood that each last from days to weeks. If the elevated mood is severe or associated with psychosis, it's called mania. I think it's safe to say that what Nikita went through back in 2022 with the officers was a psychosis, maybe mixed with being on drugs, who knows. During a manic episode or psychosis, someone might experience a break with reality. If I'm not wrong, the person might not even remember what happened during the episode. So I completely understand if many of you say, I feel bad for Nikita. Nikita can't help being mentally ill. In my opinion, you can feel bad for someone who suffers from severe mental health issues. But as soon as the person harms other people, you no longer need to show sympathy or empathy towards the person. If they're literally harming others, it's a problem. The person has to deal with the consequences too. I know Nikita has not physically harmed someone. He threw water on people. And I know what he said to the female officer, or whoever she was necessarily not a big deal because the officer probably experienced this on a daily basis. But Nikita Dragun is a celebrity and is therefore the spokesperson, or let's say the face of the trans community, and that is why I'm worried about these leaked videos. Nikita Dragun represents trans people while being so mentally ill, he can't be in public without being naked, threatening and trash-talking females, screaming, feeling entitled, hissing, throwing water at people, overall breaking the law. Nikita has millions of followers, is friends with Kylie Jenner, and I think in order to not ruin the trans acceptance, maybe even trans rights in the future, Nikita should remove his brand, which is himself, from the internet and get help. A lot of help. If you generally believe the bipolar disorder is excusing Nikita's behavior, listen. If Nikita is so mentally ill that he can't control himself in public, he should not be the face of the trans community. Is that so controversial to say? Is it so controversial to say that trans people do not behave this way? Is it so controversial for me to question his transness after watching these videos? Maybe I'm an a-hole. Maybe I'm wrong when I'm calling him he and him. But you know what? I don't care. This person has done absolutely nothing to earn my respect. I'm not gonna respect his pronouns when he threatens people. I truly hope no one is condoning his behavior. Just because someone says that they're trans doesn't mean they get a free pass to do whatever they want. It is possible to be loving and empathetic towards the people who are mentally ill. I like to believe I am. However, I do have boundaries. And so should you. Maybe the bipolar disorder explained why Nikita acted like this back in 2022, but I do not see it as an excuse. And I do think Nikita has a responsibility to apologize, try to get help, and better. And I do not think Nikita should get a free pass just because he says he's trans. Thank you all for watching this video. If you want to see more content like this, remember to hit subscribe and the notification bell. If you want to support me and my channel, you can become a member, or I have my PayPal link in the description down below. Remember to follow me on social media. I love you and I cannot wait to see you in the comments. Peace out.